Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. It is the first of the month, which means it is time for the Not Too Shabby Box of the Month Hop and Giveaway. There will be several of us participating in this hop, so if you'd like to follow along, you can follow the hashtag that is in the title as well as on screen now. Now there is a giveaway with this hop, so for information on how to enter, just check out the description box below. Now in this month's box, we have lots of fun goodies. Jamie always sends a little treat with her box of the month. So you get this cute little packaging and you get a little sucker, which I'll save for one of my grandkids, and some enamel dots and her little thank you card. In the box of the month, you get 2 ephemera packs, 3 stamp sets, and 2 paper pads. So let me show you the ephemera pack here. And I'll put an image of all the ephemera on screen now. And it's so pretty. It is all these little baking themed and some pumpkins. Lots of cute little ephemera in this pack. And then our second ephemera pack has more of these toned down colors, this nice teal, and again in the baking theme. And I'll pop up a picture of all the ephemera on the screen now. And these are just beautiful. And you'll see that all the ephemera and stamps and paper pads coordinate just beautifully in this month's box. Now we have the Bake Me Happy stamp set, and I just love all these images. They're so cute. You get these little smiley faces that you can add to some of your images, like your little sack of sugar or flour, whatever you want that to be, maybe to your little rolling pin, your little mixing bowl. Very cute. Has several sentiments. This one says, bake someone happy, baked with love, sugar, flour, and then this says sweet. So adorable. I already have several projects in mind for this stamp set. Next stamp set is the Live, Love, Bake stamp set. And this has a few little sentiments as well. It says, live, love, bake. That's how I roll. Yum. Life is what you bake of it. So really cute. And just look at this tiny little gingerbread man right there. That is so adorable. Really cute images on this stamp set. And then our third stamp set is this beautiful Baker's Gonna Bake stamp set. And I just love how these sentiments, I love the font, first of all, and I love how they'll fit right in the middle of this silhouette image. So this would make such cute little tags for any home baked goods that you may gift during the holidays or at any other time. Again, several ideas to use with this stamp set. And then the first paper pad we have is Happiness is Homemade. Let me share that one with you. Now this is a 6x6 paper pad, and there are 24 double-sided designs, 4 of each design. So let's take a look real quick. We'll just flip through, and I like this vintage look style. It's just so pretty. Beautiful images along all your paper. Now I'll be sure to link to the Not Too Shabby shop in the description box below, as well as to where you can subscribe to the box of the month or any of the other monthly subscriptions. There is a junior box of the month, a paper pad of the month, a stamp of the month, stamp and die of the month. They're all just perfect. So that is the Happiness is Homemade 6x6 paper pad. And then our second paper pad is the Cooking with Love paper pad. Also a 6x6 paper pad, 24 double-sided designs with 4 of each design. And this has more of the pinks and grays in the colors. Oh, some nice green. I like that. Oh, this is just beautiful. You know, with all these beautiful papers, it's so hard to choose which one you're going to use on your project. Look at this full sheet here. My kitchen is full of love. I have an idea for this one. I'll be back later in the month to share what I did with this one. But let's take a look at the rest here. So pretty. And you can just use this in a variety of ways. You can make some tags, some cards, well, I don't want to give away what I'm going to make. I'll let you stay tuned and check back later in the month. So let me share the cards I made using goodies from the August box of the month from Not Too Shabby. First card I made is this adorable card using some of the ephemera here, as well as the Happiness is Homemade pattern paper. These two coordinate perfectly. So I added some of the little enamel dots that came as a freebie in the box. And then I did cut out some of this green vellum in a heart shape, a scalloped heart, to put behind the ephemera. And I added just some pink on the inside since I used a black card base. And then the little strip of paper left over from what I cut, I added to the inside. So that's my first card. And then my second card, I used the other pack of ephemera as well as the Cooking with Love paper. And I used the sentiment from the Baker's Gonna Bake stamp set. I used Made with Love. And I just heat embossed it here on this strip of red. I think it came out beautifully. And then again with a leftover strip, I added it to the inside of the card. And then my third card, I did some stamping and coloring. And so I used the Bake Me Happy stamp set. And I stamped all of the images. You can see I have some left over in the back because I wasn't sure which ones I wanted to color and add to the card. But I colored just a few using my Copic markers. I added some of these Love from Lizzie peel-offs just to add a little bit of sparkle to the card. Here are the 3 cards I made using the pattern paper, ephemera, and stamp set from the August box of the month. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribed to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye! Laugh to yourself, and I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la la la.